what is trading? A beginner's guide. So if you're not sure where to start with trading, this is your class. So before risking a single dollar, understand this first. Before placing your first trade, there is one question you need to answer. What is trading? The word trading simply means to exchange in financial market. It means buying and selling with a clear goal, making a profit. So you will buy, purchase an asset, you can hold, wait for the value to increase, and then sell at a profit. So basically, you're trade every day without realizing it. Think about the last time you went to the supermarket. You walk into the store, hand over the cash, receive the product. So basically, you exchange value for value. That, in a sense, is trading. So only now you do it in financial markets like Forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies. But what exactly are you buying? So imagine this like you're in elementary school. This is the Forex example. So you can start with $1. So basically in this example, you have $1. Without dollar, you buy €1. So then imagine the euro's value rises and it's now worth $1 with 10 cents. If you sell it, you will get $1.10. So you made 10 cents. That is how currency trading, Forex, works. So you buy a currency, wait for it to rise, then sell. So you buy low, sell high. This is the other example, the stocks example. Say you buy one Apple share for $100, it's like buying a slice of that company. If Apple grows and the share price goes up to $120 and you sell and make $20. So you bought a piece, waited for it to increase in value, then sold it. And then the other example I want to show you, this is the cryptocurrency example. So let's say you buy one Bitcoin at $25,000, so the price increases to $30,000. So you can sell for profit. So you sell and make $5,000. It's that simple. You're betting on the future value of something. So buy when you think it'll rise and sell when it does. But it is not magic, it is logic. So you're not buying a physical object, you're buying a value with the intention of selling it more for more. So that's the heart of trading. Is this making sense so far? If this is helping you understand trading better, hit the like button. It lets me know you want more content like this. So what is trading in markets? It is simple. It happens in places like Forex, the currency exchange markets, in the stock exchanges, the company shares trading, and the cryptocurrencies, digital asset markets. So the mission is clear. Your mission is clear. Spot opportunities, buy low, sell high, and repeat. That is how many people grow their money smartly, quickly, and strategically. So if you want to start thinking like a trader, drop a comment below and tell me what excites you most about trading. It helps me create content you actually want to see. And how do you spot opportunities? It is a strategy. Buy when prices drop, sell when prices rise. That is how traders make profits, by identifying patterns, managing risk, and following a plan. But here is the catch. It is not just about pushing buttons. You need a clear strategy. You know exactly when to enter and exit trades based on specific conditions. You need to do constant analysis, regularly review market conditions, and adjust your approach. And yeah, emotional control comes in. Manage fear and greed to make rational decisions. And lastly, this is a mindful practice as well. Consistently apply your knowledge and learn from results. Master that, and you will be more prepared than most beginners who jump in chasing quick money and end up losing it all without structure. So avoiding common mistakes. This channel is here to help you avoid those mistakes and build from the right foundation. If you know someone who wants to start trading but doesn't know how, you can share this video with them. It might be the perfect starting point. This is your first step, so don't skip it. Understand the game before analyzing charts, before placing a stop loss, before dreaming of getting rich. You need to understand the game you are playing. You have to learn the strategy, develop a clear trading plan, and then you need to practice skills, apply all the knowledge in real conditions. Master the psychology, control your emotions during trades, and well, you just took that first step. If you want to learn more, if you want to learn how to trade with strategy, calm, and a strong mindset, subscribe and hit the bell. Then if you want to go beyond YouTube and build your own trading system step by step, then check out the FVM Trading Master Plan. It is not just lessons, it is real support. This is the FVM Trading Master Plan, a clear structured strategy. You follow a proven system for consistent results. You will get a personal one-on-one mentorship. You get guidance tailored to your specific needs, emotional mastery and mindset tools, so you will develop the psychology of successful traders. And you will join the private community. You will connect with others walking the same path with you. And this is for all experience levels, whether you are starting from zero or already trading. This will shortcut the trial and error and keep you focused on what actually works. So the link is in the description. You can click below. If you are ready to stop guessing and start trading with purpose, I'll see you inside. And finally, the market doesn't reward perfection. It rewards discipline, patience, and those who keep showing up. Don't wait, subscribe and turn on notifications, because the next video could be the one that shifts your trading game. Trade and sleep. See you in the next class.